Alright, as you can see, making some progress. Unfortunately, I have to go out of town today and pick up my pickup truck down in Alamo. As you can see, we have one seat out. That was right there. Only 6 more to go. So, come on back for the next one. Thanks. Has the seat belts attached to it. Only 5 more to go. Well, as you can see, another set out. Just a couple more sets to go. Finally got the back window open to get some air in here. There's the heater for back here. I'm not sure if I'm going to leave it there or move it yet. I haven't decided. I may move it up here closer. I'm not sure. It depends. Once I get the final measurements on my rough sketches and make them into scaled sketches, then I'll find out. I'm an old-time draftsman, so I do drafting, plan view, side view, top view. You know, I can visualize it in 3D when I do it, so I don't use a 3D program. I know what it's going to look like. All right, 2 more to go. Hopefully tonight. Last seat. And a nice little breeze coming in, keeping mosquitoes away. Taking a few measurements also. And my supervisor sitting right there. You see. I'll start pulling the rubber tomorrow, and then sealing, and then we'll go from there. And it looks a whole lot bigger without all those seats in here, but it's going to be filled in again. Okay, all the seats are out. Luggage rack is out. Got a pile of rubber and bolts over there. And you can see both side walls are curved. That's just going to make it more interesting. But all these panels you see in here, they're patterns. I can use them as patterns to cut the new material that's going down. All these will come out, and I'll put some wood in there to level up the floor. This rubber is coming out. I've got a battery under the step here I've got to pull out. I don't think it's any good. It's old. Air conditioning is not working right at the moment, so I got to get somebody to take a look at that. The heater back there is working. I may move it, may not, but it's ready to go. Ready for the next steps. I'll pull the flooring, and then I'll pull the ceiling. And you can see from back here, it looks a long way up there. But it's not. It's only a 14 passenger. But by the time I finish building in here, because I'll have some of my sign making equipment, because I make signs, banners, vehicle graphics. I'll have that in here. I'll put my Harley in a 6x10 or 5x10 trailer to tow behind, and have the overflow from my sign company will go in the trailer also. But I'm going to get as much as I can in here. This is a 2007 Ford E350 Super Duty StarCraft StarQuest is the full name, which is kind of interesting. So now I can look up parts. Alright, I'll see you tomorrow. This is probably it for today.